Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can apply a hatch background to your shapes and objects on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me add a rectangle, for example, here to that page on LibreOffice Draw. And to apply a hatch background, right-click into the given shape. And from here, what you want to do is click into the area menu or tab here. That is going to redirect you to this menu. So here at the top you will see the area color or fill color, which is none, color, gradient, and so on and so forth. So select hatch here to the right. And after that you may choose a style like, I don't know, for example, with these lines in 30 degrees, or these that look somehow like a grid line, or these here. And yeah, you may modify these as well by clicking into this button. And here to the right, customize, for example, the spacing between these lines in this case here, to increase the spacing, or the angle, for example, by moving that slider, or by entering a value here, or by using these up and down buttons. The line type, single, cross, or triple. The color, of course, too. And yeah, you may assign also background color, which in this case here is black or transparent, but you can also go with any of these. Click into OK, and that is going to be applied to your shape, and that's how it looks. That's how it looks like. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.